Okay, welcome back to my channel. I have a new piece of equipment that I'm adding to my shop. It's a 12-volt freezer refrigerator that has the ability to run on solar power. I think it's like 60 watts. And I seen the bug. I had to spray them. It's like 60 watts, and I want to add to my solar system because when I'm out here working, I sometimes need something cool to drink. So this box here is called a Auto Omo Auto Omoto, something like that. I can't pronounce the name. It's I'm pretty sure it's from China. But anyway, let's open it up and see what we got. I already opened it up, looked in it before I made this video. So I'm gonna show you guys. So it's sort of like a opening box, but not really, because I already opened the box. This is a 55 quart, one of the larger ones. It comes wrapped in plastic. Like I said, I already opened it, so plastic is already off. I looked at it, but I have not plugged it in. So let's get up out of here. All right. Okay, this is the front here. Like I said, it's a 55 quart. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to sit here on my dryer and then get over there, then bring it back over after I move the box out of the way. Or I flip the box over and use the box as a table. Okay. Back in the box. Here. Flip it over. These are, sorry, I got the controls on it. Yeah, this is the control. No, this is the control side. Here. So, yes, it's really solid. That's one thing for sure. Got a little bit of weight too. I'm pretty sure if you filled it up, it would be very heavy. All right. It comes with a 12-volt for your vehicle. It comes with a one for your cigarette lighter, but it's not the one that we want unless I want to take it on a trip, which I probably would not. And then we got this right here for your 120-volt power. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in. It's got a plug right here on the front. And turn it on, see what happens. I got this a few days ago. All right. So it goes a certain way. It does. It's got this slot here in the plug Means you have to plug it in a certain way, and I think it's up. So this goes up. All right, that goes up. I'm gonna set this right here. And let me swing my camera around so you guys can see my outlets here and my junk. Okay, we're gonna plug it in to this one here. Now all this here is solar, and let me check my numbers on my solar. Okay, here's something. Oh, look, it came on. Yeah, everything is good. Ooh, just kicked on. See where we're at here. So bring you guys closer to me. Let me see how I bring you closer. I'm just gonna bring you closer. Okay, see here? And these are the settings. It's got a little pamphlet here, manual with instructions in it. So I read over all this right here and see how this thing works. But let me take you guys off of this thing here. Can I do it without? Well, we're gonna do it without the microphone. Let you guys take a look in it. I don't have enough room to really move this stuff around in my shop, so I'm just gonna show you right here. Now this side is the freezer side, and this side right here is the cooler side, the refrigerator side. Freezer, refrigerator, and it's really deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it up. Probably wipe it off a little bit and close it up. But yeah, let me get you back over here. All right. Let that run. I'm gonna run over this pamphlet here, read over it, and see how this thing works. How to set the temperature. I'm pretty sure it's just simple. Got a power button here, got a set, got an up and down arrow button. I'm pretty sure it's very simple to use. I watched a few videos on it. It had like 600 and some ratings from Amazon, and it was a 4.5 star from 600 people were satisfied with it. And I watched some YouTube videos on it, and they were satisfied with it, so that's why I bought it. And the price wasn't too good. Well, no, the price was good. I got it for under $300. But yeah, I just want to share this with you. It's gonna go right here on the table and put water and probably a few drinks in it. I drink mostly water, and maybe some Gatorade, and every now and then I drink a soda. But this is gonna be another addition to my shop. You know, when I'm out here working, I need something cold to drink. It'll be right here at my fingertips. So you can't print any shirts, but it can quench my thirst. All right, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I am out. My new toy for my print shop.